Delete keyword is going to delete the entire object. So in case of clear method we have seen, if we use clear on any of the variable, then the variable, all its data is flushed. The variable becomes empty. But what if we want to delete the entire variable itself? In that case, we are going to use the delete keyword. So for example, if we had this list, I'll just copy paste it quickly. Okay. So we have this variable list and I'll simply just type it with three elements 10, 20, and 30. Now we simply want to delete it, we'll say delete var list. Now if you want to say, see what is this variable, it will throw an error, which is name error, because var list, this variable itself, is removed from the memory location. There is no such variable that exists now. And you can use this delete keyword for uh, any other object. For example, you can use it for list, tuple, dictionary, or set, right? So it is useful when you want to actually delete the entire variable. If you just want to remove the contents of the variable, contents of the data type, then use clear. Okay.